How to fix Xfinity mobile app not working. First thing first, head over to your App Store. Click on the source bar at the very top, and then search for Xfinity. Head over to this application. Right here, instead of Open, if it shows the option of Update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is update your application to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device and then move into General. Proceed to iPhone Storage. Search for the application Xfinity. Once you have found it, head over to it. You will be landing on this page. In here, you can see the option of Offload App. Click on it. And once again, click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the app and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Xfinity app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.